Hey, it's JT with RMUS. Just doing my daily price changes on DJI equipment right now. It seems like everything's changing with the tariffs. Crazy times. So these are the current rates as of today of where things are at with the 170% tariff on Chinese equipment. So what I wanted to show you is some of the options that we have that are not tariffed, or at least not significantly tariffed. There is the current reciprocal tariff on some items, like this one here, which is only about 10%. So this is what some of the options we have are the Skydio X10, great drone for doing automation of flights, 3D modeling, as well as public safety applications. This is an NDA compliant drone made here in the United States. We also have the FLIR Cyrus, very cost effective, around $10,000. This has the classic FLIR boson sensor as well as a daytime camera, so you get a nice crisp MSX image with the FLIR setup. Now this is the big dog, the Hera, coming from Vietnam. This, depending on the configuration you have, what we have set up right now is the power line inspection drone. This has the Autel Corona camera on it, as well as the RGB thermal. We also have a setup for public safety, which would include a drop system on the bottom, the same RGB thermal camera, as well as a speaker spotlight that would sit in the position over here. This folds up really small into a backpack. Currently, the public safety version of this is going for around $45,000 US. And the power line inspector is a bit more based on the sensor here, which puts it over $100,000. Also, we have the new Terracross drone. This is an indoor drone. It's got LiDAR unit on it, camera that can look straight up, straight down with lights on it. This is mainly for indoor use, confined space, mining, even public safety applications. This one is about $26,000 right now. Comes with a remote here. It's really nice because you're actually getting the mapping as the drone flies. You can see the LiDAR model on one side, as well as the positioning of the drone, and also a live data feed. So this one's made in Japan, ready for sale right now. And then we also have the Autel Nest here. So this is using the Max 4T with a nesting setup, and you can operate this remotely. So far, we have not seen tariffs on the Autel equipment. Rumor has it these are being made in Vietnam, so the tariffs that are applied with China aren't being affected yet. So anyway, just wanted to give you some options of what's out there. We look forward to working with you. Give us a call or email us, sales@rmus.com.